Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I want to talk to you guys about Google and why I think it's going to be an awesome investing in the following months and even years. Right, so before we get in this, I really wanted to just show you guys kind of what is on our fundamental analysis, and then I'll go into a little bit of the personal details as to why I think it's a good investment. All right, so when we see Google, we can go ahead and just read into what they're about. Alphabet Inc. is a holding company which engages in the business and acquisition of different companies. So just so you guys know, Google isn't just Google. You know, they also are owners of Android, Chrome, YouTube, Google Play. I didn't even know about these bottom ones, but obviously, okay. Consist of businesses such as, so they make a part of it. Now, when we look in here, one of the main things that we want to check out that'll give us that warm and fuzzy is the $1.9 trillion in market cap, which just basically means that in total, people have invested almost $2 trillion, which is more than most countries' GDPs, which means it's going to be very difficult for them to go bankrupt, which is very important whenever it comes to long-term investing, because that's kind of what allows you to just invest and then look away for a good old while. Okay, when we look at their net income, they're netting $73 billion a year, which is great. That's almost 30% of their total revenue, which is also very, very good for such a large company. We can see that their performance has continued to go up. But one of the things that I really wanted to look at was where they started talking about YouTube, right? So YouTube right now, it's close to becoming one of the largest. It's starting to become one of the largest streaming providers in the world. And as you all know, there's money in attention. And if you can grab the attention of the world and have their eyes set on you, it's gonna make it a way better opportunity. It's gonna make it something profitable over time. Okay, so let's go into the charts. Let's go see what the charts are looking at. First, let's check the financials real quick, just to make sure that we don't see anything that's out of line, something that's like that doesn't make sense. Okay, so market cap 123, 29 billion, but their debt to income ratio is more than good enough. They're a very healthy company. Google, it has and will probably continue to be a very profitable company. The fact that it doesn't pay dividends is actually a good thing for us, or at least for me. It's something that I actually prefer. And that just means that they're going to be reinvesting the majority of their profits into growing the company. Another point that I had whenever it came to thinking why Google would be a good investment is because of AI. So if you guys have seen NVIDIA's stock price has been exploding, and it's mostly came because of the power that they have with ChatGPT and with all the other AI projects that they're in the works with. Google as well is also working on an AI, and what's special about their AI is that it is going to be integrated with Google, which, if you guys know, is one of the biggest points of information. So when we look at this, there probably would have been a better buy earlier on in the year, but it's starting to build back up into an upward trend, and it's actually at a very high point. Let's see if there's been any drops at any time. Yeah, so we're actually looking at a pretty high price, probably closer to like its all-time high. Let's see if the 52-week high is on here. Yeah, I think that this is actually close to, if not the all-time high. See if this allows me to check out. Yeah, there you go, all-time. Yeah, so we're at the all-time high. Is it a good idea to buy a stock when it's at its all-time high? Of course not. But when it comes to a stock like Google, I don't think that there's any losing in it. And if you're really trying to catch it on its way down, like it doesn't happen very often. So personally, I'm still going to be investing in it, but just to check out the charts, and we're seeing that it's not at a good price point per se. The reason why it's not at a good price point per se is because, we want to buy low and we want to sell high, and obviously it's high right now. But I don't think that it's too high, right? I don't think it's so high that it won't be a profitable investment over time. You just have to allow it to start doing its thing. Now, when it comes to Google, right? Whenever it comes to investing in Google, I don't see it as something that is high risk at all. I think that if you're looking at Google in a long enough time frame, 5 years, 10 years, you're going to be making more than whatever it is that you invested now and some. And the reason is, like I said, they're constantly developing and growing, and the market cap is something that keeps you safe, right? You won't have to worry about Google going anywhere. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on Google. I'm going to be investing some money in there in the following, actually today the market's open. I'll be buying some Google shares. And yeah, if you're interested in learning more about how you can make 6 figures in the military, or 6 figures out of the military, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and you'll be directed to more content. Looking forward to seeing you guys more often. And yeah, if you invested in Google, let me know in the comments. If you think it's a bad investment, let me know why in the comments as well. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.